Good day, everyone. How are you all doing? I stumbled upon a video of a lady. She was trying to lecture people on how to not to make the kpekus to foul smell. Yes, the video she made trying to teach people really did not go well with me. I feel if anybody should practice what she taught, the person would end up hurting her kpekus the more. Please, I will want you to watch the video afterwards.
This is an illustration to show you how to wash your kpekus thoroughly for you to get rid of those offensive odor. You understand me? There are a lot of ladies out there, whenever they are seeing their menses, they smell bad. Like the smell that is coming out from them is like when you that fish odor. You know, when you dump fish in a place for like 2 or 3 days, that's odor that usually come out. That's the kind of odor that usually come out from them whenever they pass you. You definitely know that they are seeing their mess. As in, the smell is too much. You understand me? There are a lot of ladies out there, even if when they are not in their cycle, they smell bad because they don't know how to wash their kpekus thoroughly. So this is an illustration on how to wash your kpekus very well to get rid of those offensive odor. So we are going to be using these tomatoes. Assuming these tomatoes is your kpekus. So let's go there. So guys, this is the illustration on how to wash your kpekus thoroughly well for you to get rid of those offensive odor. I know some of those offensive odor, some are as a result of infections, but there are some that as a result of you not washing your kpekus very well. So you see how I'm doing it. You dip your hand inside your kpekus, then you wash it. You dip your hand inside your kpekus, you wash it. You dip your hand, you wash it. That's how you get rid of those odor. A lot of ladies out there do not know how to wash their kpekus very well. That's why a lot of men will take you home whenever they sleep with you. That's how you will lose that relationship. They will not call you again. When you call them, they will start ignoring your call. They will stop receiving your call. In short, they will even block you because your kpekus was smelling. You see, this is how your kpekus should look. A lot of ladies out there, whenever they want to wash their kpekus, they will just pour water at the surface. They will pour water at the surface and do it like this. Those things that are inside the kpekus, those normal discharge that usually come out from the kpekus, they will leave it there and those things will be accumulating inside. Before you know it, those things will start bringing out some offensive. This is how you usually wash your kpekus thoroughly. Whenever you are bathing, whenever you want to wash your kpekus, you use clean water without soap. You dip your hand inside, bring out those discharge, wash it off, dip your hand inside, bring out those discharge, wash it off. That's how to wash your kpekus thoroughly. If this video was helpful to you, don't hesitate to share this video, like, comment, and share. Share for a lot of ladies out there that do not know how to wash their kpekus to learn from this video. I love you guys.
Do you see that video? Are you shocked? What do you feel is wrong about that her video? Before I tell you mine, if you know what she did or said wrong in that video, please drop it down on the comment section. Now, do you know that your nails is the habitat for syphilis?
And you dipping your hand into your kpekus will mean you introducing those syphilis into your kpekus. Do you know that?
Do you know that washing inside your kpekus will alter your kpekus pH balance? Do you know that your kpekus is acidic? Do you know that washing your kpekus will make you lose those healthy bacteria in your kpekus? Because yes, we have healthy and unhealthy bacteria. You washing your kpekus will make you wash away those anti-healthy bacteria in your kpekus. Which bacteria is going to fight for you? And you know that our kpekus is just like an incubator. Whatever gets into it has the ability to multiply, right? Now you're washing your kpekus, washing out the healthy bacteria. changing it from its normal acidic form that is supposed to fight against those unhealthy bacteria. Kpekus on its own wash it itself. Yes, kpekus wash it itself on daily basis. You do not need to dip your hand inside your kpekus because you want to wash it. Instead, you wash out the healthy things in your kpekus. If you realize that your kpekus is having a foul odor or is having a smell like that of a spoiled fish, like she said, the best thing for you to do is walk into a lab. Yes, walk into a lab, get tested, so you know exactly the kind of infection you're battling with. Afterwards, take that result to a hospital. Let them give you a proper treatment. And I bet it with you, healthy kpekus does not smell. Healthy kpekus does not smell. Please don't go to all of those people selling things on your WhatsApp telling you this is kpeku sweetener, this is kpeku tightener. There is nothing like kpeku sweetener, kpeku tightener, or kpeku flavor. Kpekus does not smell like vanilla. Kpekus does not smell like strawberry. Kpekus smells like kpekus. Kpekus on its own has its own odor. So if you realize that the odor is becoming abnormal, or the discharge is becoming abnormal, walk into a lab, get tested, take your result to a hospital, get a proper medical checkup, and let them treat you properly. And I bet it with you, after the treatment, you do not still need to dip your hand into your kpekus trying to wash it. No, don't do that. Kpekus wash it itself. Don't do that. Don't do that. Another thing is, do not, yes, don't wear a nylon pant so that when you sweat, your sweat do not get back into your kpekus. Wear a cotton pant so that when you sweat, the cotton of the pant can absorb that sweat. You know, when you sweat out, you are sweating out a lot of toxins from your body. So when you put on a nylon pant, those sweat does not really have something to absorb them. Instead, it goes into your kpekus, and by so doing, your kpekus get infected. So always make sure you wear a cotton pants and not nylon pants. Then always make sure you're clean, you're hygienic enough. You being clean does not mean you have to dip your finger into your kpekus, because your finger is the habitat of syphilis. You dipping your finger into your kpekus, you are introducing syphilis into your kpekus. Yes, you're introducing syphilis into your kpekus. Do not put anything into your kpekus to wash it. Only wash the surrounding of your kpekus. Wash the surrounding of your kpekus. Eat healthily. Eat healthily.